Okay, so we have Lacey, Sultan, and Moxie. And they're all three tired. They're kind of napping. I was hoping to catch them in their play. Oh, what? You're upstairs. So they just were fed by Mama, so I don't think they have much energy now. They just want to sleep. Oh.
She's mad.
She's mad, yeah. So I'm turning my back on you.
Oh, what a cute face.
Little cute. Oh, his tail's wiggling. It was. He was wagging it. Hi, sweetie. Hello. He says, "What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me?" There goes his tail. They're starting to wag their tails. She's so cute. She's just laying there all calm.
Which one? That one or that one?
Lacey. Lacey's just laying there. Now she's closing her eyes. Alright, I'm going to go get some more.